I'm about to show you how you can download and install Avowed on your PC in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So all you need to do is download Steam. This is completely free and it's a game launcher. So if you have it already, you need to search for Avowed right here. And once you are here, what we need to do is scroll down and choose between the standard or premium edition. Add it to your cart, then view my cart, and right here you need to continue to your payment and fill in your payment method information. So it can be PayPal, your credit card, your Steam balance, or whatever you want. And after that you will have a button to install the content, and that will bring you to this page where it will begin the installation automatically, and after that you can open the game. If it doesn't bring you to this window, you can go to the library and then right here search for Avowed. So you can search it right here, and after that just click on install, and then you will be redirected to the download page where the download will start and you will see all the details. After the download ends, you can start the game and continue playing. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.